Hello, Elodie. How are you?
Hello, fine, thank you.
Great. Well, thank you so much for joining us today. And Elodie from the CTCC is going to give us a presentation on digital printing for ceramic-based electronics. As always, please leave your questions and we will take those live after the talk. So over to you, Elodie.
Well, thank you, Chris, for your kind introduction, and thank you for giving me the opportunity to present our work here. I think it's the first time CTTC we're presented at Tech Black events, so thank you again. So I'm Elodie Pereira, and I'm project manager in CTTC, and I'm dedicated to the digital printing processes. So first, let me present the CTTC. CTTC stands for Center for Technology Transfert in Ceramics. We are, in fact, the main French research and technology organization in advanced ceramics. We are a non-profit association, and we were founded in, nearly 40 years ago. Right now we are 25 staff. Our budget is about 2 to 2.5 million per year. And what our mission? In fact, how do we work? We'll look for new processes or new materials that can be interesting. We apply them to a ceramics, and then we provide them to our customer or industries that we thought can be interested in. So, what are our expertise? We have obviously a technical ceramic material expertise for raw material formulation and so on. We also have expertise on ceramic manufacturing processes. Okay. Um, we have plenty of conventional technology as well as advanced, and we often help industries to scale up. And as we have conventional technologies for ceramics, we also have additive manufacturing technologies, and that's what we will discuss about. So where are we? Obviously, we are in Europe, in France, in the center of France. In fact, maybe some of you know the porcelain of Limoges. So we are in the porcelain city, and we are sort of a campus where you can find the European cluster of ceramic, an institute, a research institute in ceramics, and some other industries dedicated to ceramics. We are in a ceramic environment, in fact. So, sorry. What are the field applications of ceramics? Well, ceramics are almost everywhere. We can find them in automotive, energy, defense, aeronautics, space, and so on. Even if the trend now is to replace them by polymer, it will be, in some severe environments, particularly with high temperature, the ceramic will always be there. And if we speak about electronics, ceramic also is present by hermetic packages, heatsink, microwave filter or passive components, and ceramic chip carrier. It is not an exhaustive list, but there are just some example. I must say that the CTTC has an historical collaboration with the XLIM laboratory of the University of Limoges, which has an expertise on electronics and microwaves, and you will see that that has an importance for us. So, as I said before, we have several means of additive manufacturing. We have plenty of additive manufacturing processes, and here you can see some of them. So, let's begin to the processes devoted to the ceramics in the CTTC. We have the stereolithography, laser, robocasting, or binder jetting. So I will just talk about stereolithography and robocasting.